Listen 10 minutes. Share comment on this story. Comment in late 2021. Florida Governor Ron DeSantis passed a question as to whether he had been vaccinated to protect against COVID-19. So whatever I did, I made it a normal decision. And at end of the day, this is their individual decision about what people want to do. DeSantis said on day when ex-President Donald Trump was booed. Took a booster. DeSantis, now presidential candidate and regularly criticizing vaccines, took a tougher stance this week in response to new supplement vaccine recommended by federal health officials. The governor made a written statement after his general surgeon called on people under the age of 65 not to vaccinate. DeSantis' stance against supporters contradicting advice of public health officials and experts shows how his skepticism towards coronavirus vaccines has hardened and how he has tried to make his position a 2024 campaign issue. COVID-19 is one of few policy areas where DeSantis with Trump, the open survey leader in Republican race. DeSantis, which is by far second place in many surveys, with federal health officials approving the updated coronavirus vaccine formula before wave of seasonal respiratory diseases. This week is getting closer to a long-standing contrast with Trump launch of the vaccine. New coronavirus vaccines recommended by federal CDC for anyone 6 months or older have now been updated to target the XBB variant strain that makes up most of infections. In public health area, there is a subtle discussion about the value of encouraging updated sponsor not only for people at higher risk of COVID-19 infection, but for everyone. However, even some experts who were cautious about general recommendations criticized the warning of the DeSantis administration. This is dangerous, said Paul Offit, director of the Philadelphia Children's Hospital Vaccine Training Center. He is concerned that recommending empowering vaccines to everyone will distract attention from the urgency of vaccinating those at risk of serious illness. But Florida officials, he said, he went too far, deterring young people with poor immune systems or other risk factors for serious illness from getting the new vaccine done. COVID-19 is more broadly suspicious about the vaccine. They were given a platform and they abused it, he said. Florida General Surgeon Joseph Ladapo, appointed by DeSantis, who issued support vaccine alerts, previously deterred young men from being a coronavirus vaccine due to risks of heart complications. CDC and FDA responded with an open letter that refuted their claims and accused them of spreading false information. The University of Florida Medical School Faculty Working Group determined that it relied on an erroneous analysis, and experts noted that risk of heart complications from catching coronavirus was greater than the risks associated with vaccine. In response to DeSantis' criticism of the new booster, CDC Director Mandy Cohen said that the